Hi there, John, Shopkeeper Party. Hopefully you took part in the shorter preview class with Robert Dutton and myself on Tuesday the 6th of July. Well, this is what you've been waiting for. It's the full-length workshop, 2 to 3 hours, where Robert's going to take you through creating an amazing painting step by step on Wednesday the 21st of July at 3:30 in the afternoon UK time. I hope you can join us. We've also got some amazing giveaways as well. But first, let's say hello to Robert. Hi Robert, how are you?
Hello, how are you? I'm absolutely fine and delighted to join everybody today to introduce this workshop as well with you all.
I know, it's going to be fantastic. And the reference photo that we're going to be using for this workshop is quite an interesting one because it's got a number of different elements to it that we'll be able to dive into. And if I just show your board here, so this is the photo that we've got here that you'll be able to print out and we'll send you the day before the event if you're booked into it. So we've got obviously the tree forms, but we've got this really nice dry wall, it looks like, that's going down this, and you've got the reflections in the puddles on the road, and then you've got the buildings. I mean, it's almost got everything in it. What sort of techniques and textures are you going to be exploring in this workshop?
Dry stone wall techniques, scumbling, layering, all those sorts of things, soft organic forms, and also lots of the foreground detail. And of course the deciding factor that everybody loves with pastel painting is that raking atmospheric light in there.
Brilliant. No, I'm really looking forward to it. And we've got some amazing giveaways as well. But on top of all that, obviously the main part of this workshop is what you're going to be learning. And by the end of it, hopefully, you'll have an incredible piece of artwork as well, because Robert will go through step by step and I'll make sure that all your questions are answered as well. So I hope you can join us for this amazing event. As I said, Wednesday, 21st of July, 3:30 in the afternoon. Make sure you get registered and sign up. See you there.
See you later.